It's snowing, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is laundry day. Let's do some laundry. Liam, what's wrong with this child? What's wrong with you? I have lots to do this morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for that. Today's laundry day. Get your laundry as well, and let's do laundry today together. See, I have a lot to do. And this is my little helper, or should I say, he's giving me double work, but I won't have it any other way, guys. He makes laundry day fun. You can see him everywhere, all over the clothes. I put in a washer, he takes it off, and that's it.
It's Saturday and it's actually snowing outside. I'm starting the day with the toughest part, sorting colors and tackling stains. These Liam's clothes have seen things today. Food spills, blowouts. You know the drill. My goal this 2026 is to tackle laundry as often as I can before they become a mountain. So while the first load of laundry is running, I'm going to try to remove the stains on Liam's clothes. And I'll be using my favorite stain remover. I'll be diluting that in some water in order to preserve the texture of the fabric. Wow, see how spotless these whites look. You don't believe what they've gone through. So yes guys, this is what I use to remove stains from my baby's clothes. Let me know down in the comment section what stain remover you use. I would like to try out new products. See guys, there is something about hanging up these tiny clothes that always makes me pause. The amount of patience you need. Hey God, I beg. Motherhood is going to teach you patience, guys. Patience. You know, I prefer to air dry my baby's clothes. And yeah, for my clothes, I take them to the laundromat and use the industrial dryers. guys, I had to maintain steez now. I couldn't fall. I think that's my cue to go look for something to eat. Like, yeah, by the third round, I was really losing steam. So I'll just quickly hang up the white clothes and just look for something to eat, because if I'm to finish all 5 rounds, I'll need more than caffeine. Honestly, at this point, I needed a little motivation, so I called my sister to keep the vibe going. Sometimes, a quick call is all you need to stay motivated. While I'm walking, someone else is taking it very easy. Look at him. Arms and legs everywhere. He looks like he's the one who has been scrubbing stains all morning. His snap is my cue to keep moving. We finally hit round 5, and to get everything finished and bone dry, I packed up the big loads and headed to the laundry room. It cost about €1 for 6 minutes, so I did 18 minutes. These industrial dryers were exactly what I needed to officially call this day a success. Finally, folding is done and the house feels light again. Now that the chores are out of the way, I can finally open my driving books and focus on my freedom. Thanks so much for cleaning and resetting with me today. And I hope this video gave you a little bit of motivation to tackle a project you have been putting off. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and see you in my next one. Bye.